LG Gram 15. LG hasn't always been known for its laptops, but it's made some major headway in the States, bringing forth two lightweight 13 and 14-inch models. Now with the Gram 15, LG says it has introduced the world's lightest 15.6-inch laptop, and with the Gram 15 weighing in at 0.98 kilograms, 2.16 pounds, the same as its 14-inch notebook, LG is pretty much on the money. The new notebook is freakishly light, and when viewed from the side it's also bafflingly thin. Just to put the Gram 15 in perspective, the 11-inch MacBook Air weighs 1.09 kilograms, 2.38 pounds. The weight savings come largely thanks to the LG Gram 15 being made of a magnesium shell, which is considerably lighter than the aluminum alloy used by most laptop manufacturers. Despite all the nip-tucking this machine has seen, you'll still find a set of full-size ports along the sides, including two USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, HDMI, USB-C and a SD card slot. What's more, there's Intel Core i power bubbling under the hood with a choice of either an i5 or i7 processor. 8GB of RAM comes standard, leaving users with picking between 256GB or 512GB for their storage options. However, there are still a few details being left in the dark, as LG has been mum on expected battery life. The South Korean electronics firm has also yet to release the all-too-crucial pricing details and announced a wide availability window of sometime in mid-2016. LG has also bumped up the resolution of the display to 1920 by 1080 given the larger screen. The display largely comes off as average with decent viewing angles and accurate colors, but nothing about it makes me smile with glee.